Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into your Roblox account and navigating straight to Settings. You need to open the Security tab. This is where two-step verification and backup codes live. Once in Security, enable two-step verification if not already active, because backup codes only appear after that. Make sure your Authenticator app is installed and paired. This lets Roblox verify your device. If you see a prompt for email or phone, confirm those so codes attach to the right account. Once two-step verification is active, click Manage, then choose the option to view or generate backup codes. Roblox may require you to re-enter your password to proceed. When codes appear, understand they are one-time use strings meant to get you in if your Authenticator or phone is lost. You should store them immediately. Use a password manager, encrypted note, or printout kept somewhere safe. After saving, mark which code you used when testing, so you don't accidentally reuse one-time codes. To use a backup code, paste it into the two-step verification field on the login screen. The code will expire after use. Once you run out or suspect exposure, go back to Security and regenerate a fresh set. Old codes become invalid. If you cannot access your account because codes fail or you lost access to your email or phone, contact Roblox support and provide account creation details, transaction records, or device fingerprints as proof. Keep records handy so recovery is faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.